Java Ops. So in this episode, we are going to talk about class and objects, inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, advantages of OOPS. So what is class and object? Class defines certain common characteristics which its members demonstrate. Class in itself is not real thing but defines a real thing. Class can be an idea about a real thing, like blueprint of a building. This is not real thing, just an idea. With this blueprint, real buildings can be constructed, like this one, and this one. So these are objects. Okay, real buildings are objects. Members, objects, instances of a class has common attributes. Like employee, they will have common attribute like role, salary, employee ID, organization. And like this motorcycle, it will have common attributes like wheels, type, mobility, and engine power. Objects are unique instances of class. Each object has its own private attribute and behavior. So these are three objects of employee class. They have their own attributes like name, employee ID, and department. Okay. Concept of inheritance. A class can be created from base class. Such class is called derived class, subclass, or child class. A derived class contains all the properties and behaviors of base class. So employee here superclass and manager, supervisor, these two are derived classes. Concept of encapsulation. Encapsulation means binding the properties and behaviors as a single unit and implementing restriction on the access of these members. The concept of adding restriction on the access visibility of an object's members are also called data hiding. Every class is an example of encapsulation as they combine properties and behavior. Concept of polymorphism. Literal meaning of polymorphism is one name and different form. In Java, polymorphism is possible only in the case of method overriding. Methods,
Overloading.
not polymorphism. The following example illustrate how polymorphism works. So here is a list of professional and their work. For doctor, work means treatment, treating patients. For teacher, work means teaching. For lawyer, work means providing legal services. Advantages of OOPS. Code reuse. Concept of class and inheritance makes it possible to reuse code in same or different program. Easily scalable. A program can be easily extended. Data hiding. When we want to apply certain restrictions on access of properties and behavior. Best for complex software projects. It is easy to create modular program using OOPS concepts. Now finally, few points to remember. Class is a blueprint to create object. Object is concrete implementation of class. Purpose of inheritance is to create specialized classes based on base class. Encapsulation is about binding together of properties and behavior. Polymorphism means one name, different form. In Java, method overriding is only polymorphism. Thank you for watching this episode. If you have any questions or suggestions, write it in the comment section below. If you are interested in learning Java, subscribe this channel, press the bell icon to get notification about our new videos. Thank you.